Hello all. Today we are going to study integrated rate law for gas phase reactions. Let's consider a gaseous reactant A which gets converted to two products B and C. All are in gas phase. Now the initial pressure for the reactant A is Pi. At that time, that is at initial time, the pressure due to B is 0 and due to C is also 0 since B and C are not yet formed. After some time, as a decomposition starts, B and C gets formed and we have the pressure due to B as X and due to C as X. Now the initial pressure was Pi and now the partial pressure, which we will represent as Pa, will be equal to Pi minus X. Now the formula for integrated rate law for first order is K equals to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 concentration of A at 0 upon concentration of A at T. Now, if we compare this with gas phase reaction, concentration of A at 0 is nothing but Pi and concentration of A at T is nothing but Pa. That means we can be writing the formula as K equals to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 Pi upon Pa. But usually whenever data is being given, say for example, just for the sake of example, I am taking some data. Say I am having initial time T as say 0, say 60 seconds, say 120 seconds, say 180 seconds, time is in seconds, and say we are having pressure P which is given in mmHg. Say initial pressure is for example 124, then it increases to say 136, then say 152, then say just for sake of example 178. Now what exactly is this? At time t equals to 0, this value is Pi. The next one, that is 136 mm of mercury at 60 seconds. Now this pressure is because of the reactant A as well as due to the formation of B and C. Partly formation of B and C, it's not completely getting formed here. So this is P total. Even this value is P total and this value is also P total. That means we have initial pressure Pi value and P total values. So what we have to do is we have to express X in terms of Pi and P total. So let's start with that. Say P total will be equal to, see here we can be having Pa plus X plus X. Let's write it down. Pa plus X plus X. Now what is Pa? Pi minus X plus X plus X. Pi will get cancelled off and what is left is Pi plus X. Therefore, we can be having X equals to P total minus Pi. Now let's substitute this in Pa. Now what was Pa? Pa is equal to Pi minus X. Substituting X in above equation, what are we going to get? Pa equals to Pi minus, instead of X, now I will write it as P total minus Pi. Open the bracket. Pi minus P total, minus of minus becomes plus Pi. So now I have Pa equals to 2Pi minus P total. So the rate constant K will be given as 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 initial concentration Instead of that, we'll be writing down initial pressure Pi and concentration of A at T. In that place, we'll be writing Pa, which is nothing but 2Pi minus P total. So, this is the expression for rate constant K for gas phase reaction. Thank you for watching my video.